you can get into bow fishing dirt cheap. Bow fishing is one of those great sports. You can take it from a 1 all the way to a 10 if you need to. I started out with a $20 bow from a pawn shop and a hand wrap reel. No kidding, a guy can get into the sport for less than $100, come out here and have an absolute ball. Or you can take it to a 10 once you get addicted, and the sky's the limit. You know, once you start talking about custom boats and custom rigs and everything that you need to fish from the rivers to the ocean, you start spending some money. But get started bow fishing. You can literally get into the sport for under $100. Anybody can start out. If you got an old bow, you can take and buy one of these kits. Like I said, a reel, a rest, arrow, line, less than $100. You can get out here, walk the banks, especially during the spawn. You can come to any of your local boat ramps, you'll see these carp spawning, and you can get out here and have just a good time and not spend any money.